here as a secretary from Medical Pharma Company. Can I help you?
Good morning, I'm Fabian from Travelino Company. Can I speak with Mr. Sentosa Cahyadi?
I'm sorry, Mr. Fabian. Mr. Santosa is not at the office because he visits to the branch office. It, is there any message to Mr. Santosa?
I want to confirm that. Hotel booking on May 2nd of 2024 in Ratchamaya, Surabaya Hotel cannot be processing because is paying hotel is paying because of hotel is paying renovation.
Okay, I will convey your message to Mr. Santosa, and for the next confirm, I will call you later.
Okay, I will wait for it. Thank you very much. Good morning.
Good morning.